Hi, online scholars. Happy Thursday. I just wanted to say hi and try to personalize this online experience a little bit for you. I just wanted to talk about some key ways that you can be successful in English 114. So, first and foremost is that you have to check your email every day. I usually will send out course announcements, course reminders. I might change due dates or change assessments. So it's crucial that you check your email every day. That will help to set you up for success in the course. That's number one. Number two, print out the syllabus. Print out the syllabus and have all of your due dates right in front of you because times and dates can change and they are different depending sometimes on the assessment. So sometimes you might have a discussion board post that's due on Friday. You might have an online quiz that's due on Sunday. So it's really important that you have that syllabus and the itinerary printed out in front of you so that you don't miss a due date. Because with an online class, your participation is crucial and your participation has to be timely. Because if you forget to post or you don't respond, then the discussion has happened and we're moving on. So it's crucial that you are participatory and that you submit your discussion board posts in a timely fashion. So that's number two. Number one, check your email daily. Two, print out the syllabus. And three, be yourself. Be yourself and understand that you might not be an English major. You don't need to copy from the internet. There's no need to copy from friends who have taken this class before because unfortunately that will get you a 0 and probably force you to fail the class and eventually maybe expulsion. So I've been dealing with students who copy and plagiarize every semester. I've been teaching English 114 online for at least 10 years. So I'm familiar with the ins and outs of plagiarism and copying, and we do use Turnitin to ensure that you are citing your sources and not committing academic dishonesty. So please be yourself and be honest. Ask questions. Ask questions of your peers. Ask questions of me if you're not understanding a text, because some of these texts they're not easy, right? We're reading literature from 1800s all the way to contemporary times. So some of the poetry, some of the antiquated texts might not come so easy. And that's okay. But I want you to try to relate to the text the best that you can. And when you respond to your peers, please ask them questions, okay? Because as I grade your discussion board posts and responses, I'm looking for substantial thoughts. I'm looking for developed paragraphs. I'm looking for responses that refer to textual evidence and provide some summation, some analysis. Just saying, well, that's a good response, I agree with you, that's not furthering our discussion. So I implore you to not only reiterate what your peers are saying, but also to ask some really deep questions, right? Is everyone happy in Chopin's story? They seem happy, right? But she committed adultery. So is she truly happy? And can we believe everything she says if she doesn't even know herself? So really, don't be afraid to ask questions because that's what drives the learning, right? So please check your email, check the discussion board forums, print out the syllabus, ask questions, and just be yourself. All right? Have a great day, and I'll be following up with everyone. I would like to have some type of maybe online synchronous seminar to just flush out any of your questions about the reading. So feel free to email me with some dates or times that work best for you. I know we all work and we all have lives going on, so I'll try to make it work for you. All right? Take care. Have a great week, and I look forward to reading your responses online. Bye.